Hey, Royal, who you have there with you today? Hey, baby Cece. Let me see her. She's all cute and all snuggly. So what type of plans do you and Cece have today?
I would take her for a ride.
On your pink and purple motorcycle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a ride. I got on it.
Perfect. All right. Well, let's go.
So here's my new motorcycle. Where's baby Cece?
Where is baby Cece? Where'd you put her? Is she still with you?
Yeah.
I see her feet poking out back here.
Oh, she's right there.
She's in the back seat. Okay, so you can go ahead and go for a ride.
Let's go down the hill.
Let's go down the hill. Baby Cece is loving this.
This ride is so much fun. Thank you, Royal. Thank you, Royal, for taking me. You're welcome. Okay, I'll be all right. I'll hold on tight. Oh, I felt that bump. So make sure you hold on tight. Is you buckled? Yeah, I'm buckled. Roy, you're a good driver. I'm not worried about anything.
Oh, you're having such a good time today with your Batgirl dress on. Baby Cece is really hanging in there with you.
I guess she likes this ride so much.
Yeah, she's having a great time. You're a good driver. When did you get your driver's license?
I didn't get no driver's license. I didn't know how to drive.
Oh, well, you're driving pretty good to me. Oh, watch that big hole right there. Uh-oh, you got it? There you go. You're such a big girl.
Watch that butter.
Okay. This is a long ride. Royal, where are you taking baby Cece? Okay.
Baby Cece having so much fun. Royal's the best driver ever.
A balloon? Oh, that is a balloon. It must have blew away from someone. Watch the road.
Look, baby Cece. Look.
What is it?
It's something down there. Let's stop by it.
Yeah, let's get a little closer to it. So there's something interesting ahead. And you want to show baby Cece, right? Let's get a little bit closer. Keep going. We're here.
Look. It's water.
It's a creek. Wow. It's beautiful. Wow. Water. And rocks. Baby Cece like creeks. Spiders?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, I see that spider. Ow! I like water. I like creek. Royal. Thanks for bringing me. I'm glad I was able to see this. Baby Cece like this.
Yeah.
Ooh, baby Cece love it. I love it. Thank you, Royal. Thank you. Yeah, it's a nice creek down there. Yeah. This is a nice bike ride, Royal. Baby Cece is having a great time. And it's starting to get a little dark and you have a headlight on your bike. Watch the bumps in the road. Okay, we're headed home now. We're headed home. Yeah, she's thirsty and hungry now. Good. Watch those bushes. You're going nice and fast. Watch the road. There you go. Those lights are cute. I like lightning bugs. Yeah, I see them. I'm hungry. Are we almost home?
Yeah, we almost home, baby Cece.
Baby Cece want apple juice.
Okay, I'll give you some juice.
let's get baby Cece out. That was a nice long ride. I'm sure she's tired. Okay. Baby Cece's so happy to be hungry. Baby Cece's so happy to be home. I'm so hungry, Royal. Royal, I'm so hungry and I'm sleepy.
I'm gonna take her and feed her, and I'm gonna go in the house and feed her.
Okay, baby Cece's hungry and ready to be changed. Okay, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Baby Cece, you're back.
Please subscribe.
And thanks for watching my video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.